welcome back. Today we are combining clover seed for a guy south of us. We're heading to my grandpa's right now to fish out some combines, fuel them up, check them over, then we'll be on the way to the field for the day. But I hope you guys enjoy. Going up here. We made it out to the field. We're combining. This field is definitely, it's weedy. That's something we don't usually like getting into, but it's running all right. The noise you guys are hearing is mostly from down there. This chute falls into an auger, and I believe the lighting or the chute is grabbing on the auger. It'll be fine to run for the year, but I definitely need to get that fixed. But yeah. Well, I think I'm plugged somewhere right now. See if it's down there. It's somewhere over there or back there. I'm back rolling again. Turns out chain on that side, we know it's been getting kind of sloppy, but we just haven't had the time to replace it quite yet. That came off, plugged my cylinder down there, and yeah, but I'm back moving again. Dad's over there moving. I'm hoping that chain doesn't screw up anymore. It's currently Sunday, so we can't really go anywhere to get more chain right now, but it'll definitely get fixed tomorrow. I gotta stop here and clean my screen off. It's all plugged up because of how dusty it is out here. This is something that occurs pretty often with this kind of crop. Clover is probably one of the dustiest crops we do. So stuff like this usually ends up happening. I think what it is that the seed is so small that the dust is also small too. And clover dust is a whole different animal compared to soybeans or corn or anything like that. gonna keep rolling here. Update on Dad. His machine's somewhere over there, but he broke a chain. I believe it's the one. It drives his reel on the header. He broke that one, so he's stopped for now. He's got to run back, grab some parts, and he'll be moving again. Till then, I'm gonna keep time lapsing, and I'll put you guys on the grain tank. Everything's going pretty well right now, except for the wind is blowing pretty hard. So what I'm dealing with is all the chaff that's blowing into this pass. I think it's somewhat plugging up my cutter bar, along with the fact that most of this is kind of laid over. It's plugging my cutter bar up, so I'm getting strips like that, and it's leaving somewhat windrows, but other than that, we're running good. Well, it's starting to get tough. This stuff is real sensitive to moisture. The sun going down, it's definitely going to start getting a lot tougher as the minutes go. The one advantage we do have right now is it's windy. That's still moving in the smaller machine though. That's typically the one that has to shut down first. I did bump my speed up some, not too much, but yeah. As for the hopper, you guys can't really see, but sample isn't exactly clean, but we don't worry about that too much. We'd rather get more dirt in the bin than see, well, we'd rather get more dirt than like someone who would just combine it. We're not afraid of it because we clean it ourselves. Well, we're shutting down for the night. Got this combine mostly on the, still some seed left in it, but we're sitting pretty good. Just gotta close up the side panel here. Only brought 2 Pro boxes today, but both machines are gonna stay here overnight. Still got that section left, but should be done tomorrow.